3. Maps, our guiding sources. Hello buddies! Maps are flat representations of the curved surface of the earth. Because they are flat, they can be shown in a book. They can be folded up and used for planning trips. They can show very large areas or very small areas. They are flexible tools that can provide large amounts of information very efficiently. The features on each map are selected to fit its particular purpose. A map, therefore, differs from an aerial photograph, which shows all visible objects without regard to their relative importance. An atlas is defined as a collection of various maps of the earth or a specific region of the earth, such as India, China, Japan, etc. Because of the wide variety of data and technologies available, today there are many different types of atlases. The most common are desk or reference atlases and travel atlases or road maps. In this lesson, you will learn about maps. 3. Maps, our guiding sources. We have learned that the earth is round in shape. We use the globe to learn many things about the earth. It is not always possible to carry the globe everywhere. So, the easy and handy thing is the map. Maps. A map is a pictorial representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. These maps are drawn according to the scale. A small village on the earth can also be shown well on a map. Maps can be of various sizes and of different kinds. We can easily prepare the map of the place where we live in. Through these maps, we can show the rivers, places, grasslands, crops, forests, minerals, and many more. Through these maps, we can also show our ways of transport like roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. They also show us the population distribution, climatic conditions, and many more. A book of maps is called an atlas. The atlas gives us valuable information. It can be easily carried as it is handy. Cartography. Preparing maps is not an easy task. Many surveys are conducted for preparing maps. The science of making maps is called cartography. A person associated or the one who prepares maps is called a cartographer. Language of a map. To understand a map easily, we should understand its language. The various signs, symbols, and colors used to show mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. are called as the language of the map. Directions. We find same directions in all the maps. The top of the map is always north and its bottom is south. When a person stands in front of the map, his right is always east and his left is always west. When one takes the map of India, as example, Kashmir is in the north and Kanyakumari is in the south, while West Bengal is in the east and Gujarat is in the west. Besides these four, there are other directions also. They are the northeast, the southeast, the southwest and northwest, which are called as sub-directions. The direction between the north and the east is the northeast. Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, etc. are the northeastern states. The direction between the south and the east is the southeast. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu lie on the southeast. The direction between south and west is the southwest. Kerala and Karnataka lie on the southwest. The direction between north and west is the northwest. Gujarat and Rajasthan lie on the northwest. Distance. Every map has its own scale to show the distances. There is a scale in the corner of the map. A map is considered useless if it does not have scale. For example, if the scale gives that 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers, the distance between the places on the map has to be measured according to the scale. The other way to measure the distance on a map is to draw a line and divide it into a few equal parts. This kind of scale is called linear scale. A linear scale is given below. In the above scale, A is the starting point which stands for 0. The distance between the 2 points is shown as 100 kilometers. Thus, the distance between A and B is 100 kilometers. The distance between A and C becomes 200 kilometers and so on. Colors. To describe the various landforms, we use different types of colors. All standard maps follow the same color pattern. Oceans, rivers, and seas are always shown in blue color. Dark blue represents deep waters and light blue or pale blue represents shallow waters. High hills and mountains are shown in dark brown, and lowlands or plains are shown in green. Yellow and light brown are used to show higher lands or higher plains. In the map, a key to the colors is also given. Signs and symbols. Signs and symbols are extensively used to represent the physical features in a map. A key to the signs and symbols is also given in each map. They show borders, roads, cities, railways, capitals, etc. Some of the symbols and signs used in the map are given in the table below. Boundary, international. Boundary, state. Railway line. Road. Town. Capital of a state. Capital of a country. These maps are our guiding sources and friends. This language of the map makes our map study interesting. Let's revise the important points. 1. A map is a pictorial representation of the earth or a part of it on a flat surface. 2. A book of maps is called an atlas. It gives us a lot of valuable information. The science of making maps is called cartography. A person associated or the one who prepares maps is called a cartographer. 3. The various signs, symbols and colors used to show mountains, rivers, lakes, etc. are called as the language of the map. 4. The top of the map is north and bottom is the south. When a person stands in front of the map, to his right is east and to his left is west. 5. To represent the various landforms, we use different colors.